well, I'm going to attempt to do a voiceover. The video was corrupted, did not take. So here's the recipe. 1 pound of pork sausage, 1 pound of regular meat, ground meat, mixed together with add your seasonings. I use garlic, Parmesan cheese, touch of salt, and a little bit of black pepper. For my spaghetti sauce, use 3 cans of crushed tomatoes, 1 can of small tomato paste, Italian seasoning, whatever flavor you want. Plus, I add the star of the show, which is a little bit of grape jelly. Gives a wonderful sweet taste, but not overly sweet. Once the sauce is made, I make the sauce in the same pan I've cooked the meatballs in. Then I place my pasta, which I already had done from yesterday, into it. Make sure it's got covered with red sauce. Add that to my baking dish that I've got cheese on the bottom. Put the noodles that have got dressing all over them into the pan. Sprinkle more cheese. Put the baked meatballs on top, and then put more cheese on that. Put it in the oven for about 20 minutes until it all melts. And then you might want to run it for about 25 or about 5 more minutes to get a little color onto it. It's going to be great. I hope I've got my video fixed, and if so, I'll bring you back this afternoon when we have this for dinner. All right. Of course, going to have to microwave this. There's lots of cheese in here. Okay, let me get them. I have to get a knife to cut this up. A little sharp knife, paring knife. I'll just go ahead and score it. See if we can get started to say a pair of balls for my wife, but oh, I did say it. Sorry, wifey. A pair of meatballs for the wife. Get this up so you can see what's going on here. It's ice cold. It's been in here since early this morning. Okay. Get the old each portion. I'll throw on my plate over here. All right. Let me get this heated up in the microwave, and I'll be right back with you. As you can see, I've added the cheese, stinky cheese, and red pepper flakes. Let's get a taste of this and see what she tastes like. I know what the meatball tastes like. I had it today. but very little pasta was with it, and I didn't put any stinky cheese on it. So you see the meatballs are holding together perfectly, and they're juicy. All right, let's twist this around here and see if we get it in the old jaws. All right, let's get a bite of this. It won't unravel. I want it all in my mouth. I just thought the meatball was good, and yeah, it's great. But with everything else, oh my God, it's wonderful. Boys and girls, you gotta fix this recipe. It's really good. It's a little unconventional with the grape jelly, but you can't taste the grape jelly, I promise. But the bite off of the tomatoes is gone. It's just a touch of sweetness. I wouldn't even call it sweet. And if you didn't know, you would not know it had the grape jelly in it. But if it wasn't in there, you'd know too. So fix this at some time for yourself or for your family. And you can also do this if it's just meat sauce or just spaghetti sauce, no meat added to it. So anyway, thank y'all so much for being here and tolerating the old dude. I really appreciate it. Subscribe to my channel and share and comment. And if you're new here, I really appreciate you joining in and being part of it. And I'm just a struggling old dude trying to get some recipes out there. Trying to come back from a bad heart event 2 years ago, basically, or going up on 2 years anyway, and learning to walk and talk and cook again and never give up. Thank you for being on my channel. Come back and sit at my table anytime. And if you have any questions, just leave me a note. See y'all later.